Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe by hitting the red button below or on the bottom right hand corner of this video. Today we're going to talk about burgers in Biloxi. We recently visited Biloxi and found quite a few places to have a burger, and we're going to talk about all the burger options that are in and around the main casino area in Biloxi, Mississippi. First up, let's talk about Harrahs and Steak and Shake. Now, if you've seen our milkshake video, you know the Steak and Shake is known for two things: milkshakes and the other, burgers. Steak burgers, to be specific. As you can see, they actually have quite a few different varieties of their steak burger. And again, Steak and Shake is the late night dining option at Harrahs Biloxi. So we got the garlic steak burger, which includes garlic butter on top of the steak burger with some onions, as well as the Frisco melt. And the Frisco melt comes again with grilled onions, as you would expect, but on a toasted bun. And you can see these are decent burgers. The one thing about Steak and Shake, again, we'll mention is that we went late at night, so it was not operating as a normal restaurant. Everything was sort of to go, so there was one person at the cashier's counter to go. So we did eat in the restaurant, but out of to-go containers. So it doesn't operate as your normal sort of Steak and Shake. But you can see regular burgers, and here are their famous skinny fries. So I should have said there's one more thing that they're famous for, which is kind of skinny fries they have. And again, their milkshakes, which if you want to hit the notification bell, you can check out all the videos from Mediacafe Travel. But Steak and Shake is one traditional burger option. Next, let's talk about Stacked, which is located in the Palace Casino. Stacked is open Sunday through Thursday from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. and then on Friday and Saturday, 8 a.m. until 2 a.m. So it is a good option for much of the time if you're in Biloxi looking for something to eat. You can get breakfast all day if you like, but you can also get burgers and even seafood, sometimes on the same menu item. So we're going to see a very unique appetizer in a moment, as well as a unique burger. Here's the appetizer. It is the Biloxi seafood fries. The Biloxi seafood fries are basically house-seasoned fries with shrimp and crawfish with a Cajun Parmesan cream sauce and green onions. So it is a very unique take on the classic cheese fries, as you can see right here. The fries hold up pretty well and don't get too soggy underneath the Cajun Parmesan cheese sauce. And if you're a fan of shrimp and etouffee, what could be better than having them with fries and the Parmesan cheese sauce? So a very unique appetizer in my opinion. They also have traditional style appetizers like mucho nachos available. So again, traditional nachos with all the fixings and cheese with salsa and sour cream on the side. So certainly get your fill of a unique appetizer or a classic appetizer if you want from Stacked. This video is about burgers, and we ordered the Big Stacked Burger. As you can see right here, it is a well-made patty, Angus beef actually, half pound, and it comes with fries and all the fixings. This is their general plain burger. It's well made actually. It's a very tasty patty actually, and fix it up however you like. But there is also a special unique burger, and it's the Surf and Turf Burger, which is again another half pound Angus patty, but it's also got blackened shrimp on it. And so it's certainly a very unique burger. And we're going to see another unique burger later, but it actually comes with Cajun cream sauce as well. So Surf and Turf Burger, if you're in the mood to shake it up slightly from your burger option. And you can get it with regular fries, or you can get these sweet potato waffle fries. Next, though, let's talk about Sal and Mookies. And Sal and Mookies is actually right across the street from Hard Rock Casino. And it is a pizza place, and it's also a burger place. And it also has custard. So it's unique. And a little bit about the restaurant. Sal and Mookies is definitely a reference for you film fans of Do the Right Thing. Do the Right Thing, of course, directed by Spike Lee and starred Danny Aiello, Samuel Jackson, and quite a cast of thousands, Ossie Davis and Ruby Dee as well. But the plot line, of course, is that Sal owned a pizza shop in Brooklyn, and Mookie was the local resident, his pizza delivery person, who lived in the neighborhood of Bed-Stuy. And so this, of course, a reference to those two characters from that movie. Ironically, many of the employees didn't even realize that their name of the restaurant is a reference to Do the Right Thing, which I thought was very funny. We ordered the Statue of Liberty burger with honey pepper bacon added to it. So as you can see, very big pieces of bacon added to the regular burger, sort of the Statue of Liberty burger, and their regular fries, which are nice thick cut fries that you can see. And again, really funny. The reason, I guess, some of them did understand that the motto is that Sal Mookies loves to do the right thing. Next is the Bobby Flay burger. So the Bobby Flay burger is one of their fancier burgers, and you can see the inside. Very good burgers. These are tasty, honestly. I think they were well done. Bobby Flay, of course, a lot more accoutrements on their burger, but very tasty, honestly. And so dig right in when you're at Sal and Mookies and do the right thing. Next is the Hard Rock Cafe. And of course, the Hard Rock Cafe we've seen a couple of times, but we're going to concentrate on the burgers because they actually have award-winning burgers. The iconic Hard Rock Cafe is located inside the Hard Rock Casino, and here is a look at their legendary steak burgers. And they do have also a Surf and Turf burger. So, and they also have an Impossible burger if you're into that style of burger. But here are the sliders, and so the sliders come in smaller size, obviously, with an onion ring on top, and they're very tasty. It's a great option. There's also the onion ring tower, which looks very impressive. The coating on these onion rings is very, very thick. So if you are a fan of thick coated onion rings, definitely get the onion ring tower. It's a lot of fun if you like that style of onion ring. Hard Rock also has a Surf and Turf burger, but their Surf and Turf burger is made with their spicy shrimp, their spicy Hong Kong shrimp. And so it's slightly different than the Surf and Turf burger that you'll find at Stacked. But if you're in the mood for a Surf and Turf burger, it's almost like having a shrimp po' boy on top of a burger. So certainly pretty delicious, actually. and the variation of fries on the side. You can also get the cheese fries on the side of the burger. Next up, we ordered the barbecue burger, which is another one of their specialty burgers. And this comes with bacon, cheese, barbecue sauce, and onion strings. This makes for a very tasty burger, actually. And the side this time are the regular fries. So Hard Rock has got some really good burgers, actually. You could do a lot worse. But also, if you're in Hard Rock Casino, there's one other place to get a tasty burger, and that is Sugar Factory. Now, Sugar Factory obviously is known for desserts. Heck, it even has a candy store right beside it, and they're crazy shakes. But they also have burgers. So take a look at the menu here. You are going to see that they have those sliders we've covered in another video, multicolored buns, but we are going to dig into their burgers. Sugar Factory burgers are called Monster Burgers, and the first one we ordered was the Big Cheesy Burger. And the Big Cheesy Burger comes with an Angus beef patty, and it's topped with mac and cheese, as well as bacon and some barbecue sauce with some lettuce and tomato. Of course, their burgers and the sandwiches come with fries. These are pretty tasty fries, actually. A little bit thinner than you saw earlier. You can also get green beans on the side. But here is the blue cheese bacon burger, actually. And as you can imagine, it has got blue cheese as well as bacon. And, of course, that certified Angus beef patty as well. Again, these are fairly tasty. You can also get a waffle burger, believe it or not, which is a very unique item, which comes with waffles as the buns and an egg on the burger itself. And it still comes with an Angus beef patty. So these are fun burgers, just like their shakes are very fun, but these are fairly tasty too. So I would give them a shot if you're a fan of burgers. So there you have some great burger choices in Biloxi, near the casinos and in the casinos. Be sure to comment. Tell us what your favorite is. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time on Media Cafe Travel.